According to a recent estimate, 85 million people in the United States alone are involved in jobs that primarily involve sitting. This couldn't be good for your health, could it? I've always been a health freak. The sitting disease first hit me when I started working at a large corporation where I sat most of my day. I spoke to a number of people and realized it wasn't just me. This is why it's not surprising that Wired magazine calls sitting the new smoking, and you're probably doing it right now. And that's why we built Cubii. Cubii is the world's first under-desk elliptical device designed specifically for your workplace. It's sleek, modern, and sexy, making it a true delight to use and see. Over the last 12 months, we made multiple iterations to ensure the perfect look, feel, and posture. This ensures that your Cubii lets you get some basic exercise without any distraction from regular work. The right alignment ensures that your knees do not hit the desk.
There are many fitness trackers out there, but we wanted to make something a little different. We wanted to create an actual source of exercise. Cubii comes with Bluetooth, which wirelessly connects with our mobile app, and this lets you keep track of your progress and share it with friends and family on social networks. And if you're already using a fitness tracker, the app connects with those as well, so all you need is one app. There were concerns about sweating and getting distracted while using Cubii, so we did a beta test and got very positive results.
I used to get restless at work, sitting for long periods of time at my desk just working on my computer. But actually the Cubii smooth motion actually gave me something to do and concentrate on, which allowed me to concentrate on my work and improve my productivity.
To spend less time sitting, people are now switching to solutions like treadmill desks and standing desks. Well, they tend to be very expensive, costing anywhere between $1,000 to sometimes even $4,000. And secondly, they require a complete change in your office furniture, and you might not have the space to do that.
I love how the Cubii is so compact. It fits right under my desk. And the best part is that it's affordable. I could purchase it myself without needing any approval from my manager or HR.
Cubii also comes with an adjustable resistance, allowing you to easily pick an exercise intensity of your choice.
Based on my prior experience and my degree in kinesiology, I find that a product like the Cubii would be an excellent solution for a very large population of people. A product like the Cubii would be ideal for individuals working in an office setting who want to be able to burn a few extra calories as well as stimulate their entire metabolism while at work, as well as accomplishing their daily tasks.
We do not realize, but advances in technology actually promote an inactive lifestyle. We rarely have to get off our seats for anything anymore. Human beings did not evolve to sit for prolonged periods of time. With Cubii, we hope to make sitting healthier.
Even if you go to the gym every day for an hour, it's not enough. If you're sitting for more than 6 to 8 hours, you need to stay active in order to stay healthy.
Cubii's sleek design makes fitness fashionable. It not only makes your workstation feel more alive and energetic, but also more modern and state-of-the-art. You really cannot help but fall in love with it. We've been working on Cubii for the past 12 months, and we are proud to say that we finally have our prototype ready. Now all we need is your help to redefine sitting.
You may not always have time to exercise, but you will always have time to sit and be fit.